So today we're going to be doing another unboxing video.
You guys probably didn't like, subscribe, but
who cares?
Yeah.
We just do this for fun.
Yeah.
And we got this at Dollar Tree.
Yeah, it says Flexisaurus.
The last time he was there was this creepy spider. And when I was there, I got the... whenever I was there was an octopus.
Yeah, let's open this.
Can I help?
No, I can't.
Aww.
Mila.
Can I mess with it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
it's so nice.
It's actually 3D printed, so.
It's actually... Wait, hold on. I want to do something. Up. Can I get back?
Hold on.
It's hugging you.
It's hugging you guys, and not hugging. I'm going to hug you if you don't like and subscribe, and if you don't like and subscribe, I will not hug you. He said he will hug you if you like and subscribe, but if he
I got
doesn't,
a ring. I got a ring. Bye-bye! Give it back! I'm gonna give it back. Okay. There it is.
But he's gonna hug you if you like and subscribe, but if you don't like and subscribe, he's gonna not hug you and beat
And he's
you up.
going... No, he's not going to beat you up. He's going to put all ink on you. Is that what squids do?
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah,
I never
it
knew
is
there was a
that.
hole at the bottom. Wait.
I didn't know you did it. You could do that when you did something.
Can I try it again? Ah! Thank you. Little face.
Like here it says 3D printed. Like here. So. Give me it. He's gonna put ink on you if you don't like and subscribe, and he's gonna give you a hug if you like and subscribe. And you like to subscribe, so he hugged you.
Hey, he has to be hugged. They have to be hugged for longer.
He thinks that you guys like and subscribe, so he's now giving you a hug. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're not actually ending the video.
Yeah.
But if you don't like and subscribe, he's gonna put ink all over you. And if you do like and subscribe, he's gonna give you a hug.